If you're choosing between ownCloud and Nextcloud, this isn't just cloud storage versus cloud storage. It's stability and simplicity versus features and ecosystem. So which cloud storage platform is actually better? Let's break it down. ownCloud focuses on secure file syncing and collaboration with a more streamlined approach. It offers file sharing, access controls, and enterprise-focused deployment options. Many organizations like it because of its simpler structure and business focus. But here's the catch. Its app ecosystem and feature growth are more limited compared to Nextcloud. Nextcloud takes the opposite approach. It started as a fork of ownCloud and expanded into a much broader platform with file storage, calendars, contacts, office tools, chat, video calls, AI integrations, and a huge app ecosystem. For many users, it becomes more like a self-hosted alternative to multiple cloud services rather than just storage. The downside is that the extra features can make setup and maintenance feel more complex. So which cloud storage is better? Choose ownCloud if you want simple file syncing with fewer moving parts. Choose Nextcloud if you want storage plus calendars, collaboration tools, apps, and deeper customization. Bottom line, for most users, Nextcloud is the better overall platform because it offers far more features and flexibility. But if you only want reliable file syncing and a simpler deployment, ownCloud can still be the easier choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.